Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am going to do a Printify review. I am going to be showing you guys how I design my products in Printify. Printify is an app that I have inside of my Shopify store. So I'm gonna go in and create a few products for you guys, and then when I order it and I receive it, I will be doing a unboxing for you guys. So one reason I really love Printify is because they have a range of products. They have over 240 products available for you guys to use and design. They also have really good pricing. So it's very competitive compared to some of the other programs we use like Printful and Shirtly, also like Print It Make. So they do have really competitive pricing. The customer service is amazing. And look at this. Get up to 20% discount on all products if you join and get a Printify premium account. So I do have my affiliate link for Printify down in the description box, and I'm super excited to be showing you guys what I'll be making today. So I think I want to do a long sleeve shirt, a regular shirt, and then a shirt with a lot of color, as far as the designs. So I'm just gonna scroll and see what I have until I find what I want. So I see the long sleeve, but another way that you can find the product you are looking for is just by, clicking on the tab. So if I click on woman and then I click on long sleeve, I have my long sleeve products right here. So they have a woman's fitted long sleeve. They have a unisex long sleeve. They have the baseball cap. They have a V-neck and hoodies and jackets and all of that great stuff. So here I'm just gonna go for the unisex long sleeve, and then what you see here is just an overview. So if you have Printify Premium, it would be $11, right? And if you don't, it's $14. But they also show that they have 5 sizes, 6 colors, and 4 different print providers. Okay, so we are going to check out this long sleeve shirt here. Tells you a little about the long sleeve tee there. And the print providers are Dream Junction, My Locker, Print Geek, and T-Shirt Sun. So I really want to use Munster Digital. So I am going to I have to go back to see what shirts they have. So I'm going to go back to the catalog. Okay, and I'm going to sort this. Sorry, guys, I'm going to sort this by print providers because I really want to use Munster Digital. It's one of their newer ones that they have. So I want to try them out. So let's see, that's Swift POD. Here's Munster Digital. So here's a few shirts that they have right here. Let's see if they have a long sleeve. I hope they have a long sleeve. Hoodies. Oh, there goes well, that's a crew neck. Let me see. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. And that's fine if it's a sweatshirt. So I might go ahead and do the sweatshirt. So here I'm going to choose the sweatshirt from Munster Digital. And I'm going to wait till that comes up. So it's a unisex heavy blend crew neck sweatshirt. And like I told you guys, I'm going to use Munster Digital, and I'm going to hit start designing. So you can design on the front and the back, okay? So on the front, I'm going to go ahead and add my design from my device. And I think I'm going to do a black. So wait for my file to come up, and has the colors. I'm going to choose the black there, and they have a backside. So I'm going to add another design. from my device. I think I might have to change the color to my design. I do. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to my design, and then I am going to come back. All right, so I got my design for the back. Let me switch this out and add the correct design. All right, so my design is there. I'm going to go back to the front side and I'm going to hit preview to see what that looks like. So I love it so far. And here is the back. Okay, so I'm going to save this product. And I'm going to log in because obviously I did not. Shirt there for my mock-up. Then you would provide a description. You can go through the process, and this is what will show up on your store. So this is the Protect Us unisex heavy blend crew neck sweatshirt. You can fill in your own description here. I always like to add the size table, and then you can add in your own, tags. Okay, and then you go hit next. To the variants, and then so it would cost $20 to make the shirt, and then you can boost it up to whatever you want. Sweatshirts, I'm more of a $35 type person for sweatshirts, between $30 and $35, but because this has a back front print, I'm definitely going with the $35. And then sometimes I charge the extra whatever for larger shirts that are not normal, and that's only a 42% profit. So it's showing me that I would profit $14.78 from that shirt. So here it tells me to publish it to my Shopify store, or you can hide it in your store, and then I would add it to the Protect Us collection. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and hit publish on that one. So it says now you can import all of your Shopify products to Printify, and that's just a disclaimer that has come up. So I'm going to go ahead and design 2 more shirts, and that's it for this part of the tutorial. I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys how to go ahead and design your products, and then I'm going to show you how to order them once I'm ready to do the order. All right, so I am on my home page and I want to make an order, right, for the 3 shirts that I just made. So you go to orders in your back office. This is like if you want to get a sample, but know that it's different when you create a different type of order. And then it just lets you know that right now they're experiencing some delays due to COVID. So I'm going to hit get samples. And I am going to add the products that I want. So in this shirt, I want the mint, and I want it in a large. I'm going to add another product, the Protect Us hoodie. I'm going to get it in a large. It only had one color, black. I only did it in black. And I'm going to add one more product, my Manifest license plate shirt, and I am going to choose purple, and I'm going to get that in a medium. Okay, so I have my order here, And then I'll just continue with shipping and checkout like you would normally check out on a regular website. All right, so also I want to show you guys again, you can get premium, Printify premium plan for $29 a month. That means you get up to 20% discount on all of the products. So it's just showing you here that normally, you know, the regular price for mugs would be $7.46, but with Printify premium price, you only pay $5.75. So that's like $1 savings. Here with the shower curtains, you save $8. Tote bag, you save $1.89. So it's just different here. So also these are the different type of savings you'll get. And another great thing that so you get free samples here also, which is amazing. That means you don't have to pay for the samples. Printify does an order routing thing, which happens is sometimes this happens. If you order from one place and they don't have your product in the stocked, ready to go, you can reroute your order to another facility to get your product printed. So that is another good thing about Printify. Again, my Printify affiliate link will be down in the description box, and I can't wait to do this unboxing for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, so I got my products in from Printify and I used the printer Monster Digital. So I'm going to show you guys an up close of my designs. So here is the Protect Us shirt. I designed this on Canva. So what you see here is it is black on black with the white background. And each of the products came with this little sticker, but you know, you can take that off. It is a black sweatshirt by Gladden. And on the back, I just have Protect Black Women and Protect Black Men going sideways on each side. So that is the hoodie, and I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like on.